Meaning of intrinsic.
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 Intrinsic. The term intrinsic refers to something that is inherent, essential, or belonging naturally to a particular thing or entity. It means that something is an essential and inseparable part of the nature of that thing, rather than being added externally. For example, the intrinsic value of a diamond refers to its inherent value based on its characteristics and rarity, rather than any external factors like its price or demand in the market. Similarly, a person's intrinsic qualities might include aspects of their character, personality, or talents that are deeply ingrained and cannot be easily changed.